Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we try to help you grow your best beard possible. And guys, it is a great time to have a beard, right? We're wearing masks less and less these days, but as I go and test more products and do more reviews on them and just kind of reflect on everything that I've seen over the past 3.5 years since I've grown my beard, there's just tons and tons of information out there. There's products that have been specifically designed for beards. You don't have to adapt and make do with other things that weren't necessarily meant for your beard to start with. And then all kinds of places where you can either be involved in the community or ask questions or get information and advice. Lots of different places for that. So it's very, very cool. I remember 3.5 years ago, there wasn't really, at least to where I could find it, wasn't like an online community. But so I just kind of went down the rabbit hole of, okay, I've got this beard. Do I want to keep it? If I'm keeping it, how do I trim it? And then I fell in love with the Beard brand videos where they were doing barbershop videos. So then when you see people just come in off the street that have beards and get beard trims, and you hear the barber talking about all that stuff, you get to see all different types of beards, not just the picture perfect model, beard model kind of stuff. You got to see patchy beards and long beards and curly beards and straight beards and really wavy beards. And people that were just growing their beard out, people that had these big massive huge beards. So it's very cool to take in all of that information. I just soaked it up like a sponge. And the teacher in me, I've been a high school math teacher for 23 years, always turns things into, how do I teach this to somebody else? Because if I can teach this to somebody else, it helps me with my understanding of things, and that's how I process things. Some people have to talk things out. I don't really have to talk things out. I'm a very visual person, but being able to process it and to be able to explain it to somebody else, I've learned through all my years in education, is really, really beneficial to both parties involved. So hopefully you guys have gotten a lot of good information from me over the years. And if you haven't checked me out, make sure you subscribe and check out some of these other videos where we do beard trims and beard advice and all that kind of stuff. So then you've got other people on YouTube, right? So you've got Beard brand, but you also have all the other types of people that are giving you beard advice or showing you beard trims, or you just want to look up a specific topic. You want to look up beard products or the best heated brush or whatever the case may be. You can find information either Googling or YouTube. I tend to be a YouTube person because I'm such a visual and I'm so used to watching videos now. But also other social media, right? It used to be there was like discussion forums, right? You could post something on Reddit, that kind of thing. And then the Instagram community really got built up for the bearded community because you can post pictures and then advertisements and a lot of that other stuff. And then now there's Facebook groups, right? So Facebook groups just to be involved. You can be involved as little or as much as you want, right? You can be a moderator. You can start making your own content. All right, so lots of cool things. The other thing is that the products now, so you've learned how to take care of your beard, and now there's these products that can just be delivered to your door in one day from Amazon or any big box store now, like a Walmart or a Target. They have products for your beard. Instead of having to make do. Some of it was a spillover from a couple of things. So the natural beauty industry already had some of those types of ingredients, some of the oils and the cocoa butters and the shea butters and all that kind of stuff. And so people would kind of make do and they would create their own stuff. But now there's small batch beard companies that are taking the natural products without as much preservatives because of the intention of the shelf life not being quite so long, and you can get these things that feel amazing in your beard, right? They've got heated brushes now that are made for your beard, so they're smaller. Instead of having to get this big, huge paddle thing, which may not work if your beard's shorter, you can get a Kusha bar, which is really made for your beard, and it's got shorter bristles, and it's more manageable, and you can work the corners a lot better. All right, so just lots of cool stuff. Where's it going to go from here? I don't know, but over the past year, especially, the quality of the products, the availability of of the products have all really gone up just by leaps and bounds. You get brand new small batch companies coming straight out of the gate, and they're just like raring to go with excellent products. Whereas before you would have a brand new company and there would be some growing pains, and we try to help them along the way. And sometimes they make it, sometimes they didn't. But right now it just seems like so much information is available that we can style our beards. We've got products for our beards. We can figure out how to trim our beards. We can ask people advice and be as involved in the community as you want. So it's just a great time to be in the bearded community and to have a beard. And I just wanted to reflect on that a little bit here in this little video. But let me know in the comments, guys, what's your favorite part of having a beard, or what have you found to be the most useful? Some of those things we talked about. What was the most useful thing to help you along on your beard journey? And as always, guys, I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you soon.